morning, guys, from my tiny humble room here. It's almost 8 o'clock and I will be picked up in a couple of moments because we are heading to several lakes and lagoons today to check out some different areas and islands of this place here next to Coron. Yeah, and unfortunately I will join a group tour with probably 10 to 15 other people, but that's it. If you're poor and still want to see certain places of the world, you have to compromise. But anyways, see you there. You're cooking already?
Yeah.
Oh, it smells so good. Can I see? The good fish. What kind of fish is that?
Dead fish.
Is it like bangus?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, great.
Then
Garlic.
yes.
Apple.
The others is grilled chicken.
Oh wow.
Like a Filipino food, like pakbet, vegetable.
Wow. Oh my God, so much food.
And then
It's like a professional kitchen here, isn't it? I didn't expect that. Oh my God. Amazing.
you wanna go up, sir?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Don't go there, sir. Only here.
Left side? Left side? Okay. Well, let's get up here. While the others are with the kayak down there, I made my way up on top of this very extraordinary boat. Man, look at all those rocky formations here. It's unbelievable, the Mother Nature in this part of the world. I mean, it's still nice with a group, but you would enjoy it more having a private tour, guarantee you. They have solar panel here, professional kitchen down there. Yeah, completely speechless, to be honest. Never seen such a beauty anywhere in the world. I don't know what's the plan right now. Those guys with the kayaks over there, they are crossing now. Yeah, between those rocky formations into a cave, I think, and then they gonna come out of the other side. I think I also gonna swim through. Fortunately, I cannot take any videos or pictures because my camera is not waterproof. So you're the floating market?
Yes, you want?
No, I'm okay. Good business idea.
So hot.
Yeah, it's very hot. All right, let's get out of here and have a swim.
You want to take photos using the crapshore kayak here? Possible. You want to take photos on the beach? Possible. Especially on the limestone? Possible also. But before that all, let's lunch first.
Yeah. Guys, I am back and I definitely have to say I enjoyed this tour a lot. A part of the other people that joining the tour. What I mentioned before, if you can afford it, definitely go for a private tour. But anyways, it was still fun. By the way, it cost me 1,700 pesos. I think that's around almost 30 euros. Not too cheap, not too expensive. I think it's a fair price for what you get. There's even a lunch included, a really good one with a lot of variety. You have got fish or chicken, vegetables, and you also get free water, so it's not too bad. I just want to mention the places that we visited, because yeah, in some places it was very difficult to film because I didn't have a waterproof camera. This, by the way, is the first thing I suggest. You bring a waterproof camera. You can also do some underwater filming. Unfortunately, I couldn't do that, but anyways, our first stop was the Kayangan Lake, it's called. Then we stopped at the Twin Peaks Coral Garden. There you need definitely underwater camera. Another stop at Twin Lagoon. Then we had lunch at Beach 91. Really pristine beach, white sand and clear water over there. Smith Coral Garden, so another coral garden after that, and at the end Barracuda Lake, where you can see tiny barracuda fishes. And yeah, other thing I wanted to suggest you, definitely bring a snorkel and goggles, not you won't see anything, and some water shoes are recommended. And yeah, that's it basically. 1,700 pesos. Got picked up this morning at 8 o'clock, and I just yeah, was dropped off at the hotel. It's nearly 5 o'clock, so the entire day it was really fun. I'm gonna smash in some pictures from the places I couldn't film. And anyways, I hope you enjoyed this, and see you next time, guys.